Good morning, students. In chapter Fundamental Operation on Algebraic Expression, we already learned how to subtract and addition of the expression. Today we are going to start multiplication of algebraic expression. So you know, in exponent, if it is given x to the power 2 into x to the power 3, what we do over here? We have to do x 2 plus 3. That means 2 and 3 are the literal part and x be the, that means the power of x is 2, here power of x is 3, both are in multiplication form. So in that case, in the power will be added. Okay, this is the called law of index, or you can say that law of exponent also. Okay, now multiplication of two monomials. When product of two monomials, what we do? Product of their numerical coefficient into product of their literal coefficient. So take an example. It is given that 5a square b and minus 3ab square. We have to multiply both things. So what we do? 5a square b into minus 3ab square. It is given that. So first you have to multiply the numerical part. That means 5 into minus 3, and then the product of their literal coefficient. Here a square and here a. So first we multiply a square into a and multiply b into b square. Now numerical 5 3s are 15, and you know that in algebraic expression 1 plus and 1 minus multiply to get minus. Now a square means a to the power 2. Here no power is given, that means a to the power 1. So power will be plus 2 plus 1, and here b into 1 plus 2. So answer will be minus 15, a to the power 3, b to the power 3. This is your required answer. Okay. Now next take another example. Take another example. Suppose it is given 3xy into minus 2x square into 4xy square. So first we multiply the numerical coefficient. That means 3 into minus 2 into 4. 3 into minus 2 into 4. Then x, here x square and here x. Then y, here no y is given, and there y square. So 3 to the 6, 6 4s are 24. And plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, again minus. So minus 24. X to the power what? 1 plus 2 plus 1, and y to the power 1 plus 2. So answer will be minus 24, x to the power 2 plus 1 3, and 1 4, 4 y to the power 3. This is your required answer. Okay. Now there are two methods to find the polynomial of a monomial. Okay. So first is column method. What is column method? Column method. Another one is horizontal method. So column method is why? If it is given multiply 2ab minus 4a square b minus 5ab square by minus 3a square b. So in column method means 2ab minus 4a square b minus 5ab square multiplied by minus 3a square b. Right. So it is given 3a square b square, right? So a square b square. Now you can multiply minus 3a square b square by each part. So first 3 into 2 minus 6, a to the power square, that means 1 and 2, that means a to the power 3, b to the power 3 minus 4, 3s are 12, but here minus into minus, that means sign will be plus 12, a2 and a2, that means a to the power 4, b1 and b square, then b to the power 3 minus minus plus, 3 5s are 15, a cube and b to the power 4. This is your required answer. If it is doing by horizontal method, what do you do? Horizontal method is what? AB minus 4a square b minus 5a b square. I will take the same example. By multiply by minus 3a square b square, right? So you can do the same thing horizontally and each part multiply by minus 3a square b square. So first you have to put it in the row and then multiply the each part. So put it in the row. Now 3 into 2 minus 3, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 a cube b square minus minus plus 12 a cube a square means a to the power 4, b1 and 2 3 minus minus plus 15 a cube b to the power 4. This is your required answer. Okay. Now if it is given, suppose here one expression is given. If two expression is given, what will we do? Now take the example in case of horizontal method. First I will take column method and then horizontal method. 3x plus 2y minus z is multiplied by 2x minus 5y. So first multiply by 2x, the each part. That means 6x plus 4xy minus 2xz. Right? Now next 5 multiply with minus 5y minus 15xy. xy is over here, so highlight over 15xy right here. Minus 5 2s are 10 minus 10y. So I write here minus 10y square. And then so y square is not over in the above line, so we can write here only. Take a given a space, then write over here minus 10 y square minus minus plus 5yz. Now add it. So minus 10 y square plus 5yz as it is, minus 2xz as it is. Here minus plus 4xy minus 15. That means minus is the bigger sign, so put minus 11xy and here 6x as it is. So answer is, this will be 6x square because here 3x and 2x multiply, x should be, power should be added. So 6x square minus 11xy minus 2xz minus 10y square plus 5yz is the answer. Okay. And in the same manner, horizontal method. So what we do, 3x plus 2y minus z is multiply with 2x minus 5y. So first each term multiply with 2x. Okay. Then minus 5y is multiplied by each term. Now here 3 2s are 6 x square plus 2 2s are 4 x and y, then minus 2xz minus 15xy minus plus minus 10y square minus plus minus plus 5yz. Now calculate it. 6x square 4xy and minus 50 minus 11xy minus 2xz minus 10y square plus 5yz. That means in horizontal and column both the method are different but the answer will be same. So next class we will discuss the how to division of algebraic expression.